on the long term, which after all is what we really all need to care about. Thank you.
Yeah, my question's of two parts. Firstly, back to the pieces of pie we're sharing comes to hand. With America and the United States in general, it's how do you share pie equally when you have a glutton at the table? And the other thing is always profits that matter to the American.
Sorry. I wanted to follow up on the factory farming question. You talked a lot about the carbon dioxide issue. Now, but you hear a lot from groups like PETA that it's actually methane emission from cows that's more damaging to the environment than all of the carbon emissions of cars put together. So I'm wondering, could you speak about that? Is that
yes, I can try to speak about that. So there's both going on here, really. Because of the use of fossil fuels to grow a lot of grain, which is then wastefully fed to animals in intensive farms, there is actually a lot of carbon dioxide sort of embodied, in a way, if you could say, in the animal products that come from factory farms. That's true. But even if you got rid of that, then if you had cows grazing on grass, they would still be producing methane. That's just a byproduct of their digestive process. And that's a very potent greenhouse gas. And so, in the other slide that I showed you of the UN report about how much comes from livestock, that's taking account of that methane. But it's specifically cattle, really, that are producing most of the methane, or ruminant animals. So it's not chicken. So if you want to argue against intensive chicken production, it can't be based on methane so much, for example. Okay?